Announcement. I am to announce to the House that Honorable Chief Minister Sahab will be launching the following two schemes today, immediately after the adjournment of the House, in the premises of Telangana Legislative Assembly. First, the launch of 10 lakh coverage for families under Rajiv Arogyashri scheme. Second, the launch of free travel in RTC buses for women in Telangana. All the honorable members are requested to make it convenient to attend the event. Now, the House is adjourned to meet again at 10:30 a.m. on Thursday, the 14th of December, 2023.